Students, I always say good morning to all of you. I always say to learn well. I always say to write well. So you being the students of class 11 and 12, you should be sincere about your study. So I have given you commitment that I will take a class on dimensional analysis. This is very important in your class. Those who are studying ISC syllabus or CBSE syllabus or whatever may be the board, no problem, all over the world. It is very important dimensional analysis. And today I will focus for a particular part, particular physical quantity, that is say energy. What will be the energy? I have written on this board just few minutes back for your understanding, such that you can understand it easily. Okay, so energy, how can you get the dimension of energy? So energy means work. The capability of doing work is called energy. Now, how can you get to work? Work will be done when a body is moved by a force and overcomes a certain distance. That's why work is equal to force into distance. Now, we know the dimension of force is mLT minus 2. How is it? We have to understand about mLT minus 2. So according to Newton's law, we know force is equal to mass into acceleration. Very simple. You just think it lightly, casually. Don't make simple things complex. Your duty is to make complex things simple. So Newton's law is very simple. That is, force is equal to mass into acceleration. And we know that acceleration is equal to what? Velocity by time. Acceleration is equal to velocity by time. Again, velocity is equal to what? Displacement by time. And if we divide it by time again, we will get the dimension of force. That's why mass into L by T, velocity means displacement by time, that's why L by T, and again by T. So it will come L by T square. L by T square. So when it is written in the form of dimension, I can write mLT minus 2. Right? So this is the dimension of force according to Newton's second law of motion. Now come to the point. Energy is equal to, we know, work. That is equal to force into distance. So as we have got the dimension of force as mLT minus 2. So I have written here mLT minus 2 into distance. Distance means length. So that's why L. And when multiplied L with mLT minus 2, we are getting L square T minus 2. This is the dimension of energy. So whatever may be the energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, mechanical energy, no problem. Same dimension. Heat. What is heat? Light. Heat is a kind of energy. Light is a kind of energy. So in case of heat, light and sound, also it is one type of energy. So sound, atomic energy, nuclear energy, or whatever energy, any energy in the world will be of the same dimension. That is mLT minus 2. If you are asked to say the dimension of light, dimension of sound, dimension of mechanical energy, potential energy, nuclear energy, atomic energy, any energy in the world, simply you say mL square T minus T. Because energy is equal to work is equal to force into distance, and force you know mLT minus 2, that's why mL square T minus 2. Are you clear? If you have any doubt anywhere, you may call me, you may contact me by this number. That is, my contact number is 6289626775. Okay. Ajoy sir, you may contact me if you can't understand any problem, anywhere, anytime. You may contact me through WhatsApp. This is also my WhatsApp number. You may send your queries through WhatsApp, or you may send your queries through YouTube comments. And if you really understand, then you like it, subscribe it, then you may circulate it among your friends, students, teachers, those who are related to physics. You know, physics is the most important subject in the world. From alpine to airplane, any instrument, mobile we are using, those who are using spectacle specs, that means you are watching this world through physics. Pen by which you are writing on the copy, that is also application of physics. Our doctors treating the patients, they are using stethoscope, pressure, sphygmomanometer to measure pressure, TCDC, ESR, ECG, blood, any instrument, computer, whatever they are using, any instrument, all these things are gifts of physics. Computer is also gift of physics. So, we have to depend on the instruments, and we have to know the mechanism of these instruments. Now it is a digital world, digital technology. So we have to understand the mechanism of digital technology. So that will come through physics. Physics is the basic grammar of this digital technology. So dimensional analysis is very important part in every chapter of physics. Either you learn heat, either you learn sound or light or wave, motion, or kinetic theory of gases, or thermodynamics, mechanical properties of matter, any chapter, anywhere, you will get the application of dimensional analysis. That's why I have discussed a topic or a physical quantity, energy. How can we get the dimension of this energy? So other physical quantities you may find out this way by using the exact relation between the physical quantities. Suppose you want to get the dimension of density. You know that density is equal to what? Density is equal to, you know, mass by volume. Mass by volume. Okay, so mass you know m, and volume you know any object's volume. Cubed, length represented to height. Cylinder, pi r square h. Cone, 1/3 pi r square h. Sphere, 4/3 pi r cube. So any three-dimensional object, you know, dimension is either length represented to height, that is meter into meter into meter, that is L into L into L. In case of sphere also r cube, pi r square h. Everywhere there is 3 times of same length is used. That's why L into L into L. That's why L cube. That's why we write m by L cube. Okay. And when this L cube, which is in denominator, when it goes to numerator, it becomes m L minus 3. It becomes L minus 3. Okay. That's why the dimension of density is ml minus 3. In this way, any physical quantity dimension can be found out. Okay, so you try your best to get the dimension of any physical quantity. If you find any problem, I have given my phone number. I have saying you again, 62, please note it down, 6289626775. Any chapter, any problem, either theoretical or numerical, I am there to help you such that you can understand physics in a very simpler way. Physics is the simplest subject of all the subjects, I think, and it is the most important subject all over the world, I think. So, it is my request, it is my advice, it is my order to all of you to study physics sincerely such that you can understand step by step. No question of jumping the steps. Then you will fall down. You go step by steps. Then you can understand all the physical quantities in physics. Okay? Today this much. For any problem, you may contact me. My number is given. May God bless you all. Thank you so much.